study about the column method to find the square of any number. Suppose we have to take the example of 50, no, we have taken in the 50s in the last. Now we will take the example of 78 square. Here 7 is your A and 8 is your B. My dear, you have learned one algebraic identity in your previous class, that A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. We will apply that one. That is A square, 2AB and B square. Now we have to write the value of the same using this 7 square. 7 is, so we will write the 7 square. 2AB, it means 2 into 7 into 8. And finally we have the 8 square. What is the final result of all these three? 7 square can be written as 49. 2 into 7 is 14. 14 8 ja. And 8 8 ja. It is clear to everyone? Now the same process will be repeated like what we have done in the diagonal method, that unit place is your result and the rest of the part will go as a carry forward and it will be the result, and again it is 11 is your. So what is the answer of 78 square? That is equal to 5084. This is the result. Now many of the students might have the doubt that, sir, it is possible to use this method in a 2-digit number, a 3-digit number or not. So I will take one example of 3-digit and hope that it will match our answer. Suppose what we have taken the last example of 3-digit, let us the example be 123 square. Here we can take either 12 as a or 23 as a B, but for as a suitable convenient that will make our simplification simple, 12 we will take as a and 3 as a B. Now we will apply the same. And A square, it means it can be written as 12 square. 2 into 12 into 3. And what is B square? Nothing but 3 square. Now my dear, what is the final result? 3 square can be written as 9. Here it can be written as 72 and here it is 144. 12 square is 144. Same process we will apply. 0 is carried, so nothing to be buried. We will next 7 is taken here. So what is the result of 123 square? That is equal to 15129. Is it correct? Now we will learn the method that is known as identity method to find the square of any number. My dear, this method is applicable when any number is converted in forms of closest to the 10 or hundreds place. Let the example be 98 square. First of all, I will explain what is identity. You have done algebraic identity, that is equal to A plus B whole square, that is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square, and A minus B whole square, that is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. My dear students, we will apply these methods, or you can say these algebraic identity, to find out the value of this. You can see that 98 is closest to the 100. So can we write in place of 98 100 minus 2, or this can also be written as 90 plus 8. So whatever is suitable for your simplification part, that is applicable. If we take 98 square, can we write 100 minus 2 whole square. Now it is in terms of A minus B whole square. So if it is A minus B whole square, so it can be written as A square minus 2 into A into B plus b square. What is a square? Minus 400 plus 4. It can be written at, finally we will get the answer as 4069. So 98 square is 9604. Similarly, we can find out the plus values also. Suppose we have to find out the value of 82 square. So that can be written as 80 plus 2 whole square, and likewise you can find out. But very interesting, we have used these things to find out the value of this. I will have one proof of this. Everyone might be knowing that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab by b square, that by process of multiplication a plus b into a plus b. I will use some geometrical proof of this. Using the square we will prove this part. My dear, a very interesting proof this is. Suppose this is a square of length a plus b. From here to here it is a, here to here it is b. So the entire length is a plus b. Now we will divide them in terms of whatever the length and breadth is. It is a, it is b, it is b, it is a. So now my dear, I would like to know what is the area of this given part. Area of this given part, length into breadth, that is your a square. What is the area of this part? AB. And what is the area of this part? AB. And this part is also b square. From here we can conclude that the area of the given part is a square plus ab plus b square. A square plus ab plus b square. This is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now we will learn the shortcut tricks which will take less than 5 seconds to find out the square of any number. The first pattern says that if unit place is, or you can say unit digit is 5, then suppose any number is in form of n5. This n is any number and we have to find the square of n5 whole square. Then it can be written as n into n plus 1, and 5 square is nothing but 25. We will apply this formula. Let us understand what is the square of 25. Here in place of n we have 2. So we will write down 2 into 2 plus 1 is 3 and 25. 2 into 3 is 6, 25. Similarly, if we have to find out the square of 95 square, so we can say directly that next number to the 9 is 10. So 9 into 10 is 90 and 5 square is 25. Suppose we have to find out the square of 115. So what is the next number to 11? 12. And what is the product of 11 into 12? That is equal to 132. And we will finally write the 5 square. This is the one of the shortest and easiest trick when the unit place is 5. Now we will learn about, now we will have the trick for every number. Suppose this is applicable only for the when that unit digit is your 5. But suppose we have to find out the square of 87. What is the square of 87? So it's one of the very simple question. 8 square is 64. 7 square is 49. What is the product of all these three? 8 into 7 into 2. We will leave unit place, likewise the 2-digit multiplication, and we will add them. We will take one more example related to this. What is the square of 52? First number square, that is 5 square, that is equal to 25. What is the square of 2? That is equal to 4. Again, I will repeat that in square and square root always use the 2-digit number. 2504. Now what is the product of all these three? 2 into 2 is 4. 4 5 are 20. And we will leave the unit place to add them. Finally, we will get 2704 is the answer of 52 square. Thank you.